Welcome. My work commute is literally 10 steps. Here I will be explaining why working from home is beneficial to both the employees and the employers. My name is Ruth-Ann. Working from home is beneficial due to the increase in productivity that it causes. A recent study conducted by Stanford indicated that productivity can actually increase by up to 13% while working from at home. This is due to less distractions and a quieter environment, allowing employees to focus. Also, there are less sick days and time taken home spent by employees. This is because where before, if you're feeling unwell, you're more likely to go home for the entire day. And when you're home in a comfortable and relaxed state, you often work through minor illnesses, therefore increasing the productivity. There's also less time fraternizing with other employees. For example, those water cooler conversations that sometimes go on a bit too long. Motivation also plays a great part with productivity. When employees believe they're being treated unfairly, productivity drops and they tend to resent their jobs. Therefore, working from at home can increase productivity as employees are not able to read into conversations and overanalyze body language between employees and employers, therefore believing their work is being treated and valued and assessed in the same manner. When motivation is high and distractions are decreased, productivity will also increase within the company. Working from home is also beneficial due to economic affordability. There is an increase in productivity when employees work from home, which benefits the employer. A Chinese travel company, C-Trip, would have conducted an experiment to test this. They determined that they saved up to $1,900 per each employee working at home. In addition, productivity increased by 13.5%. That means they actually gained the equivalent of half a day's work per week per employee for the exact same labor cost. Employees also save tremendous amounts of money when working from at home. Costs such as gas, bus fare, childcare, lunch money, working attire are all expenses that are eliminated when working from at home. These expenses can be readjusted elsewhere in an employee's budget. Employers also save a tremendous amount as well, as they're able to eliminate renter's insurance just in case there's any injuries on the compound, the maintenance of the compound, utilities such as gas, water, electricity, outsourcing of the canteen, stationery equipment such as printers, fax machines, and where applicable, even workers' uniforms allowance. Therefore, working from at home allows employees and employers to save tremendous amounts of money. Working from at home is also beneficial to employees and employers due to the positive impact that it has on mental health. Employees are able to spend more time sleeping, which is considered one of the best benefits of working from at home. Commuting often causes high levels of stress. That is due to accidents, traffic, and bus delays on your journeys to and from work. These are eliminated while working from at home. Employees are also able to eat healthier as they cook home-cooked meals instead of often buying fast food while at work. This has a positive impact on their mental and physical health. Their financial burdens and worries are often eased. This is as discussed above. They have more disposable income and it eliminates some of the expenses that they would have had before. Employees working from at home are also happier due to the autonomy within their job. They assume that they have more controls and therefore no supervisors or managers are watching over them or micromanaging their affairs. There's also less workplace conflicts, which may occur due to politics, religious differences, sexual orientation, and instances of sexual harassment. This benefits the Human Resources Department as they no longer have to investigate these instances and the company is not liable for any potential lawsuits. Overall, working from at home is beneficial to employees and the employer due to the positive impact that it has on mental health. Persons with opposing opinions may argue that working from home is detrimental to employees' health due to horrible work-life balance and lack of teamwork. However, this can be refuted because there are multiple ways to ensure that work-life balance is maintained, such as strict working and lunch hours with mechanisms in place to make sure they are adhered to. It should also be acknowledged that you can implement multiple activities to build teamwork online. For example, at my workplace, we have virtual book club and virtual karaoke, which helps us stay connected and maintain positive relationships with each other. Also, once a day, there's a small 15-minute coffee chat in which we can chat about anything at all. Overall, there are multiple ways to ensure that work-life balance is maintained and teamwork is not affected from working at home. Overall, working from at home is beneficial to employees and employers due to increased productivity, increased economic affordability, and better mental health. Here are some of the references used throughout research for this project. Thank you for listening, and always remember, working from at home is beneficial to both employees and the employer.